How to change currency in Facebook Marketplace. So this is the easiest method that I'm going to be showing you right now. So first thing to do is pull up your web browser, head to facebook.com and click your Facebook Marketplace. Now, to sum things up, changing your Facebook Marketplace currency is just by simply changing your Facebook location. As what you can see right now, the currency is at Philippine peso because this is currently located in Cebu City, Philippines. So let's try and change it to a dollar in United States. So let's try on New York and click apply. There you go. As you can see, it is already at a US dollar. So let's try a different country. Let's try Japan. Let's try Japan, Tokyo. Let's try Shibuya, Tokyo. There you go. As you can see, the currency change as you are changing the location. So that's basically how you can change the currency in Facebook Marketplace.